So welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. Stress free stress-free Medicos. So today we are going to see about parasitology. In parasitology, we are going to deal with Helminths. Its general features. So this Helminths is actually it's multicellular and it's bilaterally symmetrical and it has two phylums. Phylum Platyhelminthes and phylum Helminths. So under phylum Platyhelminths, we have two classes, Cystoda and Termatoda. So under phylum Platyhelminths, we have only one class, Nematoda, and it has again classified into two subclasses, that is Adenophorae and Secretiae. So this phylum Platyhelminth is nothing but it is a flatworm, and Cystoda, it is a tapeworm, and Termatoda, it's nothing but flukes. So now we are going to differentiate between Cystoda, Termatoda and Nematoda. Cystoda, Termatoda and Nematoda. So first we are going to see about its shape. The shape of Cystoda will be like tape-like, and Termatoda will be like leaf, and Nematoda shape will be cylindrical. So now we are going to see about its segmentation. So Cystoda will be segmented, Termatoda will be unsegmented, and Nematoda also will be unsegmented. About its head. So Cystoda head contains suckers, and most of them will have, few will have hooks. But in Termatoda, suckers will be present but no hooks. In Nematoda, there will be no suckers and no hooks, but only they will have in buccal cavity, there will be teeth will be present. So now we are going to see about its alimentary canal. So alimentary canal is absent in Cystoda whereas it is present in Termitoda but it is incomplete because there will be no anus. No anus. But in nematode, it will be complete, fully complete. About its body cavity. About its body cavity, in Cystoda, the body cavity will be absent, but it will be filled with undifferentiated mesenchymatous cell. In Termitoda, it will be same as cystode. In nematode, the body cavity will be present. Now we are going to see about its sex. Cystoda will be monoecious. Sexes won't be separate. In Termitoda, it is monoecious. Sexes won't be separate. But here sexes will be separate. So exception in Termitoda will be cystostoma. So now we are going to see about its life cycle. So it requires two hosts. Exception will be Diphyllobothrium, which requires 3, and Termitoda it requires 3 hosts, whereas nematode will require 1 host. Exception will be filarial worm. Filarial worm. So now we go deeper inside it. So Cystoda will be oviparous. Termitoda also will be oviparous. But nematoda will be oviparous or larviparous. So now you are going to see about some important features in Helminths. Important features. First we talk about its adult worm. So adult worm. So this adult worm will have cuticle, which is nothing but outer covering. So this is, because of this, it will be indigested. It won't be indigested. It won't be indigested, or it will be resistant to intestinal digestion. Resistant to intestinal digestion. And most of this adult worms will be having suckers and hooks, and they possess locomotion by muscle contraction and relaxation, and they will have primitive nervous system, and they have well developed reproductive system. So in case the adult form of Helminths, it exists in both monoecious and dioecious. In monoecious, the male and female organs will be present in the same individual, the same worm, so that cross-fertilization, self-fertilization can happen. So that is example will be of that Tinea solium. And in case of dioecious, the male will be smaller and female will be bigger. So for its example will be like Ascarius lumbricoids, and rarely this female without mating they will produce fertile eggs that will be seen in strong leoloids. And they have better excretory system. So now we see about its eggs. So females will produce 2 lakh per egg per day. So now we are going to see about its larval forms. So first we are going to see about cystodes. In cystode we will see various of larval forms. First, cysticerus and coniurus and coracidium and cysticercoid and hydrate cyst. Hydratite cyst. So second we are going to see about its spermatoda. So in spermatodas we have larval forms like Cercaria, Redia, Meta, Cercaria and Sporocyst. So we can have for cystoda mnemonic like, so everything will be C. So 1, 2, 3, 5 C's we can remember. 5 C's. That is cysterus and coniferous and hydrate cyst and cysticercoid. Now we are going to see about its nematodes. So it has only 3 larval forms: Microfilaria, filary form and rhabditiform larva. So now we are going to see about its zoological classification. Zoological classification of Helminths. So first we are going to see about phylum Platyhelminths. So under Platyhelminths, first we'll deal about class Cystoda. So we divide Cystoda again into 2 according to flukes. So first it will be blood flukes, that hermaphroditic flukes. So under blood flukes we see only one family, Cystostomatidae, which contains histosomes. And hermaphroditic flukes will have 7 family. So first family will include Fasciolidae, So Fasciolidae. So Fasciolidae will be a large flukes which larva Cercariae will insist only on aquatic vegetations. So Cercariae insist on aquatic vegetation. So under this there are two genus. One Fasciola and Fasciolopus. Fasciola, Fasciolopus. So second we'll see family Parampihistostomatidae. So here it will contain large ventral sucker posterior side. It will contain large ventral sucker posteriorly. So under this only one genus will be there, that is gastrodiscoids. So now we are going to see about third family, that is Echinostomatidae. So here collar of spines will be present behind the oral sucker, and here Cercariae will insist in fishes and mollusk. So under this there will be one genus, that is Echinostoma. And fourth family is Triglodermatidae. Here the testes will be present. Side by side behind the ovary. So here the larva Cercariae will insist in crustacea, that is with crustacea. So it has only one genus, that is Paraglonimus. So fifth family you are going to see is Opistrochidae. So here testes are present tandem behind the ovary, and here Cercariae will insist in fishes. There are two genus, that is Clonorchis and Opistorchis. And sixth one is family Drycocholium. So here the testes will be present in front of ovary. So in Opistrochidae testes will be present behind the ovary, but in Drycocholium testes will be present in front of ovary. And there will be one genus, that is Drycocholium. And seventh will be Heterophydae. So under Heterophydeae, there is two genus, that is Heterophyes and Metagonymus. So here Cercariae will insist in fishes. So now we are going to see about class Cystoda. So in class Cystoda, there are two orders, that is Pseudophilidae and Cyclophilidae. So under this there is only one genus, that is Diphyllobothrium, but in Cyclophilidae there are three, that is Ctenidae and Hymenoepidae, and here Diphyllidae. So under Ctenidae we will have three genus, that is Ctenidae, Echinococcus multiceps. Under Hymenolipidae we will have only one genus, Hymenolipus. Under Diphyllidae we will have Diphyllidium. So this Ctenidae will have proglotid larger and will have only one genital pore. But in Hymenolipidae, it will have one genital pore, and in Diphyllidium, it will have only one genital pore. So if you liked our channel, please like, share